guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to promote your product but using a chart and a model. Sounds interesting, right? It's like unique. Alright. So first what we are gonna do, I have this guidance for you. You can follow along. Alright. And we are gonna go to our Google Gemini. So we are gonna create our image and I have my product already, so I'm not gonna search, but you guys can search. Alright, this will be our product. Alright, and we are gonna go up to our motion and we are gonna copy to this image prompt. We are gonna copy this image prompt and we are gonna paste. Don't forget to create the image and send. So let's see how the result is. By the way, the Notion link will be in the description. If you guys want to use VO3 for video generation, you're most welcome if you have the paid plan. But I will go with Pickverse because I'm just not yet in the paid plan yet. Alright. Oh wow, this is nice. Let's redo. Okay, this is also nice. Okay, I like this one better than the previous one. Alright, now let's go to the Pickverse. Okay, we're gonna attach the picture. We have two images, this one and this one. I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, and let's go to our Notion, copy the video prompt, and go back to Pickverse and paste and create. You can use Pickverse or Kling AI, whatever you feel free, but it's better to use VO3, guys. So the result is better. Alright. In my case is different. I'm gonna use Kling or Pickverse. Okay, so we have a result from Kling. Okay, this is good. I like the water splash. This is good. And let's see our Pickverse version. This could be better. I would retry this. Alright, this could be better. Okay. So I hope you guys get the idea, guys. Alright, and there's the audio given by Kling and Pickverse. Also, if you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you can mute it. Okay, we have got this result from Pickverse. So I think I prefer cling result. I think it's better than the Pickverse. But still, just let me know how do you like, guys, and do try VO3. If you're in the paid plan, or if you're thinking to upgrade your plan, that's good. My case is different. That's why I'm trying these two platforms. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you get the idea how it works, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching until the very end, please comment I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next video.